I tried my hand on making chocolate pudding, right? I never made chocolate pudding, so I tried my hand making chocolate pudding, right? So this is what I made, right? This is this part, right? It's oat milk, cocoa powder. For this one, I use cocoa paste as well, which is uh, the cocoa powder before the coca before the butter is removed. So it's got the fats from the cocoa as well, right? So a little bit of cocoa paste. It's got egg, potato starch, so oat milk, cocoa powder, cocoa paste. You don't need the cocoa paste. You could just do cocoa powder. This is the fourth round I made it. I made it with cocoa powder the previous 3 times only, right? Uh, Potato starch, egg, whip it up, right? And you cook it, right? And what you see there is sour cherry jam that my mom made, and you can see it's pretty soft. The bottom part, the cocoa, the potato starch sort of settles at the bottom, becomes a sort of a crusty feel to it, but it's amazing delicious, right? Super good. This is the fourth one I made, and I make it in a big casserole dish. So it's like pudding, Yorkshire pudding sort of stuff. This is the fourth one I made in 2 weeks. So I've been going crazy on this, right? And this part of it, which is the bottom part of it, becomes harder. It's good by itself, but it's amazing with the the syrup, right? Oh my god, oat milk, okay. Like really, it's crazy good. So good, so good. Like it keeps its integrity, right? You whip it up. Oop, lost the cherry, right? You whip it up. It's so good. My partner's going crazy with it. Because I didn't want to use any dairy, right? And this morning, I made some roasted roasted vegetables, right? Your dairy-free journey continues. My dairy-free journey continues. Right? Made some roasted vegetables. Right? We got beets, fantastic. I wouldn't say roasted, just in the oven, right? Because I put the lid on it. Carrots, our garden tomatoes. You can see some of them there, right? Super good. Onions, very good. Sweet potatoes, very good. And potatoes. Right? Fantastic. Really good. Really good. Right? And the reason I made this was hot, right? So it's the steam turned to liquid on this, and I turned this over and I spilled some of it on myself. The reason I made roasted vegetables was because I was making ribs, and the oven was going to be on for a couple of hours. Beef ribs marinated for 3 days. Okay. In garlic, turmeric, wine, honey, And our garlic honey jars that we made. Okay, I cooked it for 2 hours and 2 hours and 20 minutes or so, right? I got bees buzzing. 2 hours or 20 minutes or so, and then I glazed it with a honey glaze, honey, garlic, turmeric, ginger glaze, right? And I broiled it for about 4 minutes on either side. Right? Beef, ribs, and this isn't burned. This is glazed, and it's got lots of sauce on the side that we have. I poured some on the bottom, right? I should have let it cook for about 45 more minutes, but the stream was coming up, so I had to cut it short, right? Otherwise, it'd be a lot more tender, but the taste is absolutely amazing, right? Like, look at this. Is this focusing? Let's see. Right? Super good. Fantastic. Again, it's okay to eat some of the fat, right? So good. So good. I got a knife here to cut this, but you don't really need to cut it. You can just peel it off, right? Oh, there's the bee. He's buzzing up top there. He's stuck. Right? Liberty 88, dang, you're making me hungry. That meat and the roasted veggies look amazing. Yes. And the pudding too. Look delicious. So good. So good. Like, you can just pull it off with the fork, right? Which is the way it should be. Like, look at this. That's like a garlic chunk on top, glazed with honey, right? So good. Don't mind me. I'm just gonna eat this. Here, we'll eat one more and that's it. All right. Amazing. So good. So good. Take the time to eat healthy. Some people might not consider this healthy. I do. Right? It goes good with my body. My body loves it. Right? Everybody's made different. So whatever you think is good. Okay? Or whatever works for your body is good. Is it 420? Is 420 and El Paso close enough for me? I'm sparking. No, I don't mind if you eat while I smoke. Nice, nice, nice. I'm gonna light up the cigar again. Salute, gang. Here's to good eats, good drinks, and good smokes. Cheers.